Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to start our first vlog, and I'll show you some good place, and I hope you will like it. And today it's right now it's 5:30, and we are leaving from our home to a new place, so I'll show you that. This is something very exciting, so stay with us and we'll enjoy. Guys, you can see it's completely dark. My friend is coming. So guys, we are in our car now, so we are going to take our friends. They are waiting for us, and just we'll pick up them and then we'll go. Okay, so stay tuned and let's see where we are going. So guys, my brothers are here and they are just putting their luggages. Yes, come on guys, come inside.
Hello guys, how are you?
Yes,
good morning, all.
Good morning, good morning. So here we go now. Now time to unlock the secret. Where we are going? We are going to Ranthambore. Okay, meet my brother Govind Gupta and
Hello everyone.
Abhishek Gupta. Both are there behind sitting me, and this is Anil Suman. He is running the English Spoken Institute in Kota. So if you want to learn English, join him. And we are on the way, so we'll explore everything and we'll tell you everything about this place and the beauty. And right now we are heading towards Ranthambore. So this was our secret, and now see you there. Now we are taking a break at this place. Guys, you can see we are having kachori and samosa together. So it is very famous in Kota. If you are coming to Kota, don't forget to have this. Very crispy, very awesome taste. Must try this. Okay, so friends, so like I told you, we are going to Ranthambore. So this one place, it's look nice. You can come and you can stay here if you come from Kota. So Ranthambore is very famous. You might know about the national park. It is a wildlife sanctuary. So there are many things to visit. If you like, you can come and you can visit there.
You can visit.
And
You would love to.
You would love to visit.
exactly. So
If you come once, you will come.
we'll go and we'll show you the places what we can explore there, and stay tuned with us.
Stay tuned till the end.
So guys, we are almost there. We have reached to Ranthambore place, and it's only, I think, 5 to 7 kilometers left only. So as I can see, the railway station is very near to this place, and once we reach there, we'll start the shooting there, and we'll show you the places.
We will show you the places and resorts.
Yes.
There are many resorts here. Very luxurious resorts. Before some time, Alia and Ranveer Singh and Ranveer Kapoor also came here to visit the places.
Just few days before, they came and they visited this place. So this is very famous place.
Now
in
this
India
is very
and
famous place.
outside India also. You will see many types of animals here, like tigers, lions, and birds, and other sorts of animals you will find here. So you must come here and you must visit this place. This is a very beautiful place. Nature has come to us now, and we can see elephant.
Now we will have food here. If you want to join, so please join us. Now we will have our Rajasthani food, dal bati and churma.
Try this food. This is really good food. Unlimited diet at 120 rupees only. And this is pure Rajasthani food, dal bati and churma. You must try this at least once in your life. So this is Ranthambore National Park. You can see the nature. There you will get your tickets and your canter.
Hi guys, these are the timings for canter.
Hunter and the Gypsies. फ्रेंड्स, मैंने इनको ये टिकट दिखाया। टिकट दिखाने के बाद मैंने इनसे पूछा कि मुझे कौन से जोन में जाना है और मुझे कौन से जोन की जो गाड़ी है वो मुझे मिलेगी। तो इन्होंने बताया कि अभी जो दूर वाले जोन है लाइक 7, 8, 9, 10 उनके लिए बुकिंग अभी चल रही है इनकी, और जो हमारा जोन नंबर 6 है उसके लिए जो गाड़ी अलॉट होगी वो 15 मिनट बाद होगी। तो हमें थोड़ी देर बाद आना है क्योंकि अभी वहाँ काफ़ी रश हो रहा है, साइड भी थोड़ी डाउन है, इसलिए हमें वेट करना होगा। Their bags. It was very wonderful journey, and I must recommend you to come this place and visit. So guys, this is it. We are now going back to Kota. So if you like, please like our channel, subscribe it, and share this video to our more viewers. Thank you so much.
This is our first trip and this is our first vlog. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share and like. Thank you so much.